Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Chubbuck, local and long distance movers near me. When you want to move from one part of the city to another, attempting the relocation yourself is not the best. Let local movers like the Chubbuck Local Movers do it for you. They are professionals and know how to handle your belongings safely, which is just one advantage of using them. Being involved in their occupation, they have an understanding of the city's road system, giving them the advantage of knowing the faster and safer ways to clients' new homes. Thanks to their prior experiences, they have the advantage of being able to deal with any difficulties that may arise when moving inside the city. Local movers are your best option for moving within cities and towns, but they don't have the best licenses or experience to give you a fantastic long-distance relocation experience. Your best option if you intend to relocate to Chubbuck from a distance or move away from Chubbuck to a town beyond Idaho is long-distance movers like Chubbuck Long-Distance 3 Movers. Long-distance movers often have the skills to handle specific issues that kind of relocation comes with when they occur, and licenses to operate beyond their host city. Local movers won't have these licenses or backgrounds, so employing them to handle your local move will make your relocation experience miserable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chubbuck moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.